Yo, it's Ryan, the Smart Web Tutor. What's going on? Here I am again, back on the channel, right? Back at it, making another video for you, coming to you today. How you doing? Hope you're doing well. We're just here, creating, always creating, right? Got to keep putting the stuff out. Don't hold back. Don't be shy, right? Got to get in front of the camera, continue to produce, make the videos, teach you things, show you great offers. Continue on, continue on. All right, I'm here and just wanted to talk to you more about social selling, right? And stories on social, creating those stories. I came to you recently to talk to you about the social stories. Well, we got another one today. This is another one. And this is because social stories are hot, right? They're hot. Produce those small videos, creating, being a producer, whether you're on Instagram, whether you're on Facebook, you're doing TikTok videos. These places are rewarding people for doing stories, creating the clips, doing reels, stories, letting people know what you're doing, putting together small clips, reels, right? The attention is there for you when you have these smaller videos and bringing people to something that's entertaining or something of value that they can get in bite-sized chunks. On Facebook, you could take your posts and then you can reuse them by sharing them to your stories, right? Now you got 2 bits of content that you can use with your audience. If they don't see it in the feed, then they'll see it on the story feed, right? So you got to take advantage of what's hot right now. And if you're on social and you're doing your work on social, then this is one of the parts of it. Not everybody's got a knack for doing the small videos, creating the stories. But I see a lot of people that are really, that's their main thing on social. They're doing these little stories and doing promotions or just updates, something about their food, something about their, something about the day, something about with no makeup, whatever it may be. I got my makeup on. But anyways, you just got to understand that if it's something that you're interested in, that you got to get a good training, something that's there for you, that gives you the basics, right? Something simple that you can absorb quickly and implement right away. That's why I'm bringing you another social class, right? Basic training. Social stories that sizzle and sell, right? They sizzle because it's hot. It's hot right now. And that's why we need to do some stuff so that people, when they see it, they see your story and they go, wow, that's hot. They go, that's really something I could use, or that's something that really hits home, because they were able to watch it quickly, understand what you're trying to convey, and then they can make the decision on whether they want to give you a like or a comment, hearts. And if they do that, that gives you a reason to get back with them and thank them for their comment, or talk to them if they're interested in what you were talking about. So pretty soon I'm going to take you over to the page where we'll show you a little bit more about this new product. Social stories that sizzle and sell, right? It's sizzling like the bacon, right? It's hot. So if this is something that you're interested in, let's head on over to that sales page so that we can take a look. I could run down the different things, and then you can head on over there as well and take a look for yourself and see if it's something that will help you out in your business and move you forward. All right, we'll see you over there. All right, here we are. This is the page. This is where we're going to get all the details about the social stories that sizzle and sell. They're sizzling. It's hot. All right, doing your quick videos and little promos, letting people know what you're doing quickly so that they don't lose their attention. doing these quick videos and putting them out there, making links, doing the different things, right? Facebook and Instagram stories that sizzle and sell. Get more eyeballs on your content and generate fresh leads daily with FB and Insta stories. Done for you story templates included, plus top 4 story apps. The Social Stories course plus demo includes how to use FB and Insta stories to promote your products and opportunity for quick leads and sales. Top 4 must-have story apps. Be in awe as we create dazzling lead gen stories right in front of you. 10 done-for-you customizable story templates to instantly look pro and promote all your content. The digital course will help you create simple, show-stopping FB and Instagram stories to hook your prospects into wanting to learn more about your products and opportunity without paid ads or even a website. Get the course, the social stories that sizzle and sell. Right? Get the course. $7, regularly $27. This is a simple training that you can absorb in one day. You can go through it on the weekend and start implementing, start producing your stories, refresh your stories, kind of give you a new concept about how to do it. If you haven't done the stories yet, then this is going to be great for you. If you're doing currently the stories and you're kind of just winging it, then this is going to give you a great primer so that you have the understanding about how to do it proper. Warning: this Social Stories course is the simple process to leverage FB and Instagram stories to get red-hot prospects begging you for more information about your products and opportunity. How about that? Having them come to you, right? Not having to go and beg people for just to go look at your thing. I mean, I got people I've tried to get going to just a freebie, and they're still skeptical. How about when they come to you and ask you, what is that thing you're doing? What was that you were promoting? What was that? Let me know. That's the way to do it. Get people coming to you, asking you. This is a serious problem and we feel your pain. You spent countless hours on Facebook trying to grow your business. You spent weeks of your time in dead-end conversations that go nowhere. You've invested in all the social media gurus, and you've done everything you can to find something that will answer the one question that is haunting your dreams. Why is social media not producing the results I want with my home business? What is it? Why is all the effort that you put in helping you and getting you where you want to go? My friend, it's not your fault. Today is a perfect day for your social media and FB plus Instagram story breakthrough. How much precious time are you wasting on social media with prospects who have zero intention of joining your opportunity? This is time you will never get back. Are you finally ready to leverage social media to get results in your home business? Social stories that sizzle and sell. Get the course, $7. It's easy, right? $7. Get this quick training so that you can get going on these social stories. Don't waste any more time. Get the course. What you'll learn inside this Social Stories course: one simple sticker in your stories to get the conversions going and move motivated prospects to raise their hand and reach out to you. How to use stories to create your own reality show to build trust and bring prospects into a sales environment so you can close the sale. Top 4 FB and Instagram story apps to save time, look amazing, and create stories that inspire prospects to ask you about your business. Them coming to you. Who is this course for? If you want to get prospects asking you about your products and opportunity via FB and Instagram stories. If you're tired of spending an absurd amount of hours on social and FB Messenger with nothing to show for it. If you want a guide to step-by-step process to get leads and sales for your specific business fast via social. if you feel there is something missing with your social media strategy because nothing is making you money. If you want to get a lot more engagement and eyeballs on all the content you create across all platforms. If any of the above apply, click here to get the course. $7. It's easy. Come on. $7. You get this training. It's like an hour-long training. Plus you get the template and you get the apps that you can use to really kind of make it a lot easier on yourself, right? Being able to design these stories. Just follow the framework for success. Step 1, buy now, includes done-for-you story templates plus 4 app recommendations. Step 2, get instant access and follow the Facebook and Instagram stories tutorial. Step 3, get prospects to reach out and ask you about your products and opportunity. That's the key, getting them to come to you and stop running around chasing people, bugging friends and family about your opportunity, about the product you're promoting, about your new product, anything. It's annoying. All right? Let's get people to be interested in what you're showing them and then them coming to you and asking you for the product or a link, right? The Social Stories That Sizzle and Sell course, $7. Imagine if you could get perfect prospects to engage with all your content and get them to start the conversation by raising their hand, wanting to learn more about your products and opportunity. Yes, it's possible with stories. If you want one of the hottest ways to have your dream clients reaching out to you, asking you about your business, we'll give you the FB plus Instagram story framework for success on the next page. Get the course. It's $7. All right? It's an easy decision. You don't have to go and break the bank. You're here with me. This is within my membership area, so you're not going anywhere. I'm not sending you off to anybody else. This is in my membership area, the Smart Web Tutor. You're getting access. Once you purchase the course, you'll get an email that will give you directions about how to register for the membership area and then get access to your training. Within that membership area, you'll have access to your course. Plus, you'll see other courses that are available if you so choose. But you'll have this training, and then you can just dive into it and spend an evening, go through it, or take a weekend. Really dive into it, learn about the apps, check out these templates that they're giving you, right? And start implementing and start producing your stories on a consistent basis so that people continue to see you and see what you're doing. Producing, right? Producing content, bringing yourself out there, getting out of your own way, and making your business take off. All right? So my name's Ryan. I'm the Smart Web Tutor. Thank you so much for coming, joining me here. I appreciate you. If you like these videos, if you're getting good value, right? If you're getting the good value, hit the like, right? Hit the like button on this video. Show that you appreciate it, and then subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed yet, why not? Subscribe to the channel so you can get updates from me as I bring you out more training and more recommendations, right? I'm bringing you these offers so that you can get good training, quality training at a decent price, right? You don't have to break your bank to get these products, right? We don't want you to go out there and spend all this money on stuff you don't need. Right? If you're interested in the social stories and working the stories out and producing these short stories, then this is perfect for you. $7 and you're set. All right? Well, we'll see you next time in the next video. I appreciate you coming and thanks a lot. Bye now.